Hey savvy innovators! Today on Savvy Tricks, we are going to make a brush that doesn't need to be dipped in paint. Just put the paint in a bottle and keep using it. Let's get started. First, get a new paintbrush. Open the packaging of that brush. Place the brush on a surface and take a ruler. Measure the handle of the brush and place a mark in the middle. Cut the handle from the marked spot using a saw blade. Take a piece of sandpaper and smooth out the edges. Examine the metal part of the brush and locate the pivots. Cut the pivots using a grinder. Cut the plastic part of the handle from the metal using a saw blade. Now, drill a hole in the center of the brush using a drill. Drill another hole next to it. Make another hole on side of the brush. Make a hole on the other side of the brush as well. Use a screwdriver to lift the plastic from various points. Separate the plastic part from the brush. Now, attach the previously cut piece to the metal and check the fit. Apply glue to the metal part using a hot glue gun. Apply glue thoroughly to the plastic part as well. Fix the plastic part into the metal part. Hammer the plastic part into the metal part to secure it. Apply glue thoroughly over the joint again using the hot glue gun. Make sure to apply the glue thoroughly so that every spot is covered and no paint can leak from anywhere. Now, take an empty half-liter cold drink bottle. Take the bottle cap and mark a rectangle on it. Cut out the rectangle marked on the bottle cap using a paper cutter. Cut it carefully so that the lines are perfectly straight. Use a screwdriver to lift the cut plastic piece. Fix the cut bottle cap onto the open part of the handle. Apply glue to the inside of the bottle cap. Apply glue to the outside of the bottle cap as well. After the glue has set, attach the cap to the bottle. Move the brush with the empty bottle to check its balance. Now, we will pour some white paint in a glass. We will pour that paint into the bottle. Attach the brush onto the bottle. Turn the bottle upside down and press it. We are doing this so that the paint inside the bottle can flow down to the brush. As soon as paint comes out, take a wooden block and run the brush over it. Whenever the paint runs low, press the bottle slightly. You can find such a brush online for $60 to $100 but by making this automatic brush yourself, you can do it for just $6 to $7. That is price of new ordinary paintbrush. Thanks for tuning into Savvy Tricks. If you found this video helpful, share it with your friends and subscribe for more practical DIY videos. Stay savvy and see you in our next video.